Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, December the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the email address you can use if you have any questions for me. This is a link to get into our 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room usually right around 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, and I get live on the mic at about 9:05. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Friday. This is a link. You'll see our promo code is still active, the 25% off promo code. You'll see it in the body of this email. It'll be active until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please know what time zone you're in, because it will not be valid after 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's for 25% off either the first month of a standard or premium subscription or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. And one of the nice things is that today is the 26th of December. If by January 25th you decide you'd like to upgrade, say you took a standard monthly subscription and you decided you'd like to upgrade to say a premium or go from monthly to yearly, you can do so and we'll honor the promo code. All right, well, it's interesting. Oh, and by the way, I hope everybody, if you celebrated Christmas, I hope everybody had a great Christmas. If not, I hope you had a nice day and a half off from the market. When I looked this morning at my pre-market actives, I thought, man, we were in for a very, very slow day. But the day has actually been a little bit surprising for me. Again, when I looked at the pre-market actives, they were there were stocks up, don't get me wrong, and there were stocks down, don't get me wrong, but on very, very little volume. You never know whether or not that is going to be sustained once the market opens. But as I say, there are only very, very few, and usually there could be at least 50 stocks that are making my minimum volume requirement to sort of be an alerted at, which is 50,000 shares. But anyway, once the market opened, it still seemed to be a little bit slow. Here's what the SPY did, and here's what you can see why we're having a nice day. So here's the SPY in the pre-market. There's the tan area, the SPY in the pre-market. Look, it had it was putting in a nice modest gain. It moved up. And then it started to do this, and I'm sure many, many, many people thought, oh, okay, here we go again. It's going to take this out and it's maybe get right back to where it closed on Monday, and maybe another ascent downwards. However, all of a sudden it put on the brakes here, and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's an hour and 15 minutes of straight up, a little bit of a pause here. Right around here. We're not sure, of course, where it's going to go. It may give it up completely. But what you like to see is, give us an hour of a nice trend, either up or down, and usually we can find some stocks to trade. What you don't want to see is just something flat. Though with Trade Ideas, we always seem to be able to find stocks to trade regardless of what the market is doing. But this is always nicer when you see something like this. Now, what I was explaining in the room is that, of course, not every sector is going to look like this. But when we saw OIH, and I don't know if it's going to look exactly like this, having a little lagging issue. So you see OIH, XLE. Why I'm bringing these ones up, XLE. So you see mirroring the SPY. So early on, though, in the move, what I was saying in the room is that, guys, it looks like energy stocks are having a bit of a day now. So one of the stocks was LPI. And the reason why I was interested in it is there it is from Holly at 312. Now, this is just a tremendous percentage move. I got in, I think, at 313. I sold some up here, but, this is just a tremendous move right now. I mean, it's up. What is it up at? Right now is 9.62%. So on a day, where I think a lot of people thought, okay, some of these things, these moves will not be sustained. Maybe a mild move and then the drop again. A lot of the energy sector stocks have really performed well. I look at this one, Hess. And at the beginning, we were actually looking to short this one. If you look at it on a daily chart, you'll see that this is probably, right here, almost not a lifetime low, but this would have been a 2-year low. This was the day it had on Monday. It looked, you see where it was down here? You see there, the bottoming tail? So this looked like it was just kind of another continuation down day. But when energy started to rally, so did Hess. Sorry guys, a little bit of lag issue here. So did Hess. This looks just like, well, a lot of things in the SPY, but a lot of these energy stocks did exactly that. So, that's just something that I'm always aware of. I always have my spider sector window up, because if I'm going to get into something, even if the market is moving down, but if the sector that you'd like to get in is moving up, well, or vice versa. I mean, if you want to short something, you'd like to see the sector moving down, even if the market is moving up. So it's always nice to have the sector on your side. Nice to have the SPY on your side and the sector, of course. But if you can't have the SPY on your side and you want to take a run at something, you should always be checking the sector too. So that's about it. I want to get back into the room, see if we can find any other nuggets for the balance of the day. Again, a little bit of a surprising day for me, especially on that LPI. So let me bring back the capture program. All right, there it is. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into the free room. And again, take a look at the body of this email. You'll see the promo code. I think it is, what is it exactly? It is Holly Christmas, HOLLY, and then Christmas 25, Holly Christmas, all in capital letters, 25, the number 25. And that will expire tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're sitting on the West Coast like I am, don't wait till 11 o'clock, okay, because the code will be inactive. All right, everybody. Well, I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.